Suppose if you want to create a three-dimensional angle symbol in your Windows computer keyboard, you must open the Microsoft Word or PowerPoint and use this shortcut key, that is Alt 10176 for creating this three-dimensional angle symbol. Okay, I'll show you how to create this three-dimensional angle symbol in your computer. For doing this, you must go to your keyboard, and this keyboard, this is the number lock. You must press this number lock. Now you can see that the number lock have been enabled here. Next step is you must press this Alt key. You do not remove your finger from this Alt key. You must press all this Alt key. At the same time, you must type in this area here. You must type the number, that is 10176. After typing that, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. And now you can see that in your computer we have created a symbol, that is three-dimensional angle symbol. So this is the method for creating three-dimensional angle symbol in your computer keyboard using shortcut keys, Alt code shortcut. Hope you enjoy watching. For more videos, subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.